The third annual Yamaha Turkey Bass Smash is well underway, and we're joining Wade and Scott in the field. They've already made a few moves this morning and have settled into an area that looks promising.
Get closer. Turn to your left slowly and shoot in second. Shoot that bird. Shoot him. Great shot, dude. Great shot. Woo! Great shot. Great shot, buddy. Great shot. Way to go. Good job. Good job. Way to move. Perfect. Way to do it perfect. Atta boy. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's a great shot, dude. How's that feel?
I mean, it's just huge confidence right now. It was wind out of the sails when I totally blew the morning hunt and just spooked that one. But now, with that all happening so fast and just dropping them down and just, I mean, smoked them. It's just enormous confidence. So very excited. Can't wait to, I mean, we got plenty of time too, so that potentially means another bird down.
That's awesome.
All right, after getting their bird tagged and ready to go, the guys head back to camp for weigh-in.
Let's see where he's at.
1812, he goes back and forth. We'll call him 1812.
Zero right on it.
Yeah, and then you just
All the way out. 11 3/4 for that one.
works for me. Whatever you say.
Oh, that's the lucky one. 11 3/4.
With this bird, Wade and Scott are sitting in a good position to win the Yamaha Turkey Bass Smash in back-to-back years. Congrats, guys.